Something new and exciting was happening on campus at the Adventist University of Venezuela. Students and faculty from the theology department wanted to do something to have a lasting impact on the people around them. In 2016, they opened the Center of Languages, giving university students access to learning English, Portuguese, and French. Language skills were in high demand.
I had the privilege of seeing the birth of the Center of Languages and organizing the curricular contents of the courses that were taught. It was a great challenge, but with the support of my team of teachers, we were able to advance in fulfilling the mission.
This center of influence has since evolved and now opens its doors to the entire community, many of whom are not familiar with the Adventist message.
For a year, I taught English in the Center of Language. Afterward, I received the responsibility of coordinating the Center of Language. In 2019, we received a lot of students that were unbelievers. So we notice that and create some strategies for reach them and share with them about the gospel.
A center of influence is the most effective way to present the gospel to those who do not know Christ. It is an easy way to show to others the way through your lifestyle.
The courses include devotionals and spiritual discussions that have piqued the interest of some students.
One of the most excellent things about the course that Professor Anthony passed into us, the spiritual seeds that he sowed in each of our heart.
It has helped me in my personal, social, and communicational development with another people, and the devotional helped me in my spiritual life.
I would describe the experience in the Center of Languages as an opportunity that it motivated me to keep learning English, and thanks to all the values that it gave me, I'm able to communicate in the language of English in the United States.
In 2020, despite the challenges caused by the pandemic, the Center of Influence continued teaching its classes online, attending 138 students, 16 of them non-Adventists. This Center of Influence will continue working to reach the unreached.
As the school keeps expanding, they have to adapt to constant changes and growing demand. Part of the 13th Sabbath offering this quarter will assist this university and others across the Inter-American region to further develop centers of influence.
The Center of Influence of UNAP and Zeta invites all the members of the Seventh-day Adventist World Church to generously contribute the 13th Sabbath offering and thus support the development of the missionary projects in this region of the world. Thank you for your kindness.
In UNAP,
we will go.